Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the Touareg Black Edition, finished in a lovely silicon grey metallic paint. It's got your 3-litre TDI diesel engine producing 286 PS with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and that brilliant 4Motion all-wheel drive. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with the remainder of the 3-year manufacturer's warranty, alongside the approved used benefits which I'll mention at the end of the video. At the front there, you've got those LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And running down the side of the car, you've got these beautiful 21-inch Leeds alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and that gorgeous panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light into the cabin. A huge amount of boot space available as well, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. This car also benefits from the option fitted tow bar with power folding and trailer assist. You've also got the electric tailgate which you can open with the key fob as well. Moving inside, you get the gorgeous optionally fitted Varenna Black Edition upholstery, the two-tone leather seats, and your rear passengers have got their own climate control and also heated outer rear seats as well. At the front, you've got leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, Santa armrest there to keep you nice and comfortable, and full electric adjustment including memory setting as well for multiple drivers. Just behind the wheel, you can see you've got a full digital display housing all your vital driving information with a heated steering wheel with 3 different settings. Alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Got the optionally fitted background lighting as well, as loads of different colours to choose from depending on your preference, and it helps brighten up the interior while driving at night. We've also got the optionally fitted Driver Assistance Pack Plus on this vehicle, which includes the head-up display, so you can keep your eyes on the road with all your vital driving information projected onto the windscreen. Got your dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with an optionally fitted climate heated windscreen as well. We've also got heated and ventilated seats with massage functions, keep you nice and comfortable on the road. Got the latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, such as lane keeping assist and much more. Have peace of mind whilst parking as well, with front and rear parking sensors and also a rear view camera. And there's multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for more dynamic drive. Got the off-road settings there and also a snow mode for difficult driving conditions.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.